Hey everyone, welcome to The Explainer. Today we are opening up what I like to call the definitive playbook on literally one of the most explosive sectors in the entire digital economy right now. We're talking about affiliate marketing. So whether you're a complete beginner just trying to figure this all out or a seasoned marketer looking to scale up, we are going to break down exactly how this ecosystem actually works, why it's growing so insanely fast, and most importantly, how you can get a piece of the action.
All right, here is our roadmap for today. 1. The affiliate marketing ecosystem. 2. Winning strategies and tactics. 3. Real-world success stories. And 4. The future of affiliate. Let's get right to it.
Section 1. The affiliate marketing ecosystem. Okay, let's dive into this. At its core, affiliate marketing is essentially the ultimate digital matchmaking service. You can kind of think of it like Tinder, but for brands and creators. So you've got a brand with a stellar product on one side and a creator with a super engaged audience on the other. The affiliate acts as that bridge. They promote the product, and if a match is made, which, means a sale, they get a commission. It's 100% results driven. Now, to make this whole matchmaker system actually work, we need 3 key players on the board. First up is the merchant. That's the business or advertiser who actually owns the product. Second, we have the affiliate or publisher. This might be you using your platform to share those unique tracking links. And finally, the customer, the end user who clicks that link and makes a purchase. When these 3 align, it's just this brilliant win-win-win scenario. The merchant gets a sale, you get a commission, and the customer finds a product they actually need. Let's move to and see how this builds chronologically, because it's a beautifully simple pipeline. Step 1. The merchant sets up the program and the commission rolls. Step 2. The affiliate embeds their unique link into their content. Step 3, a customer clicks, and tracking tech, like cookies, tags that specific affiliate as the source. And Step 4, the purchase is made and the affiliate earns their commission. Notice what's missing here. There is absolutely zero inventory management, zero customer service, and zero product development for the affiliate. It's just pure promotion. Moving on to Section 2, winning strategies and tactics. So when an affiliate enters the market, they basically face a big choice. Do you go for the organic hustle or paid scale? Content marketing is your organic route. It's like planting seeds. You're using SEO, deep storytelling, and slowly building real authority in a specific niche. It definitely takes time, but it builds unshakable trust. Paid advertising, on the flip side, is basically rocket fuel. You're deploying capital on platforms like Meta or Google, segmenting your audiences, and rapidly testing data to immediately find a profitable return on your ad spend. The absolute best affiliates, though, they don't just pick one tactic. They build a complete, holistic machine. Just imagine a customer's journey for a second. First, long-tail SEO ensures your video gets found organically on YouTube. The customer watches it, building trust with the product. Then you layer in some social proof, real user testimonials. And if they don't buy right then and there, you capture their email and use automated sequences to nurture that relationship until they close the deal. It's this incredibly orchestrated, automated conversion engine. All right, Section 3, real-world success stories. And this brilliantly illustrates how this actually survives in the wild. Let's look at the hyper-competitive electronics space. One affiliate bypassed all the noise not by just shouting the loudest, but by creating brutally honest product comparison videos. By highlighting the pros and the cons and optimizing for niche keywords, they built massive trust, driving consistent daily sales. Meanwhile, a company teaching Amazon FBA strategies took a totally community-first approach. Instead of just spamming links everywhere, they hosted live Q&As and shared raw success story videos. That high-quality visual content and genuine community engagement directly translated to revenue. At the end of the day, trust is the actual currency here. Which brings us to Section 4. The future of affiliate. If you're sitting there thinking affiliate marketing is just some side hustle for niche mommy blogs, well, think again. 81% of brands are already using affiliate programs to drive sales. Let that sink in. It has totally evolved from a fringe tactic into an absolute mainstream necessity for modern retail and direct-to-consumer giants. But the landscape is shifting really, really fast. A staggering 78% of affiliate marketers are now injecting AI into their daily workflows. They're using artificial intelligence to write content, split test headlines, and even run predictive analytics to uncover the absolute best offers. We are witnessing this massive, widening gap in the market right now. The data-savvy affiliates leveraging AI are skyrocketing, while the manual operators are kind of just being left in the dust. We're also seeing a huge revolution in presentation. Live stream shopping, which is basically QVC for the TikTok generation, has dominated Asia for years, and now it is surging in the West. Get this, by 2026, it's projected to account for over 5% of all North American e-commerce sales, and it's growing at an insane 36% year over year. This is affiliate marketing in its most raw human form. It's just creators demonstrating products live and driving instant impulse purchases. So why the massive corporate gold rush into this space? Well, it honestly comes down to one simple metric, a $15 average return for every $1 spent. That is huge. With customer acquisition costs on traditional platforms like Meta and Google absolutely skyrocketing, an ROI like that is simply impossible for smart brands to ignore. So the crucial point is that all of this incredible momentum leads us to a staggering projection. The global affiliate marketing market is on track to hit $71.74 billion by 2034. That is a massive number. And the thing is, it's not just a US phenomenon anymore. This growth is being fueled by explosive digital adoption and maturing payment solutions in emerging markets across Latin America, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East. We have mapped the fundamental rules, the ground-level tactics, the real-world proof, and the undeniable macroeconomic momentum. This ecosystem is evolving faster than ever before. So I'll leave you with this one question to think about. With AI rapidly advancing, live streaming taking over, and entirely new global markets opening up, how will you adapt your own digital footprint to capitalize on this $71 billion future? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, guys. I'll see you next time.